who are your primary customer segments or industries or however you break it down? Like what looks like an ideal customer for you? And even are there places where, like you were describing, it doesn't fit? So you kind of people understand again where to put you.
Great question. And so for us, it is advanced and complex hardware. So the easiest one for us to say in terms of an example is aerospace and defense, because that industry is changing. You have new teams popping up, new manufacturers popping up that are doing things very quickly. We're also talking about climate tech. We're also talking about robotics. There's also autonomous vehicles, autonomous robotics, underwater vehicles, energy, especially nuclear energy. Those are all great industries for us, as well as new medical device companies that are coming up that aren't necessarily lean. And I know you asked a question of what industries are we not looking at. So at one of the last startup I was at before I came to First Resonance was a company called Drishti. So Drishti was computer vision for lean manufacturing. So think automotive use cases. You have a camera, you're supposed to do something exactly the same way every time. And even if you deviate the order of the step, or if you did something twice, that could add 2 seconds to your cycle time, and you're seeing pretty significant inefficiencies in just those small little things going wrong. Think the opposite of that. So we don't really touch that. What we do is make sure that teams that are building something extremely complex, that are working with a number of vendors and suppliers of their own, they have to manage all of them. They have to manage design changes, and then as they're going through production, being able to iterate those designs in real time, that's the sweet spot for us. But because what we're doing is building a foundation to help them scale, our customers eventually will get to a point where they are more lean in their process than they are right now. They're not just designing and iterating all the time. So what we're able to do is grow their digital travelers and grow their digital work instructions to make it easier and more efficient for them once they become a little bit more lean, but not to the point where they become an automotive lean manufacturing company.